being here. It's a very sunny day outside, and we don't get a lot of these in Amsterdam, so appreciate you all taking the time. Also, really happy to hear all the questions about MCPs. I hope I can answer some of your questions in the presentation today. Before we get started, a little bit about myself. I'm Melody. I'm a solutions architect at Cloudflare, specializing in the developer platform. In my previous life, I was a solutions architect at AWS. So really happy to be here today. And guys, before we get started, just a show of hands, how many of you have heard of Cloudflare's developer platform? Oh, okay. So we have some people that are doing it. That makes my life a bit easier. Probably annoying that you can see my URL on top, but yes, we will have to live with that. So before we jump into MCPs, I want to take a step back and talk a little bit about our developer platform, because it's actually where we're building and our remote MCPs. The ethos of our developer platform is really focusing on developer velocity. So it's a platform that we have created that you can build, deploy, and deliver your applications with cloud-native services. We're really trying to optimize and capitalize on developer speed instead of even working on production readiness or deploying at scale. Developers, we want to free up their time really focusing on writing business logic. So it's a serverless platform, as you know, instead of having to worry about how can I deploy in Brazil, for example, or how am I going to scale in Argentina. With this in mind, it's a platform that was born from our CDN offering. So Cloudflare as a company, as a lot of you may know, we're a CDN company. We have built up this global infrastructure across the globe. And from there, we recognized how powerful our CDN compute layer was and thought, why not turn this into a full-blown developer platform where users can then deploy at the edge. So as you can see here, we actually have deployed to the region Earth as our region instead of just picking a geographic location. And we have a whole suite of products and services that are offered on the platform, including our bread and butter, which is Workers. So that's our compute platform where you can deploy compute at the edge. So it's even more lightweight than Lambda. But back to the focus today, which we're going to talk about MCP servers.